If you want to rotate a page in LibreOffice Writer, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to change the page orientation in just a few clicks. Whether you need landscape for a wide table, a report, or a document that simply looks better turned sideways, this is one of the easiest formatting changes you can make in LibreOffice. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When the Start Center appears, look to the left side under Create and click Write a Document. This opens a new document in LibreOffice Writer, which is where you can edit text and adjust page settings. Once your Writer document is open, go up to the top menu and click Format. This is where LibreOffice keeps many of the page and text formatting options you'll need. From the drop-down menu, click Page Style. In some versions, this may appear as Page Style or simply Page depending on the layout, but it will take you to the Page Setup window. Now a Settings window will open. At the top, click the Page tab if it is not already selected. This tab controls the page size, margins, and orientation for your document. Under Orientation, you will see the options Portrait and Landscape. If you want the page to stand vertically, choose Portrait. If you want the page to rotate sideways, choose Landscape. This is the option you would use for wide content like spreadsheets, charts, images, or tables that need more horizontal space. After selecting the orientation you want, double-check your settings to make sure everything looks right. Then, click OK to apply the change. LibreOffice will update the page orientation immediately, and your document will now use the new layout. That's it. Your LibreOffice page has been rotated successfully. If you needed to switch from Portrait to Landscape or from Landscape back to Portrait, the same steps apply every time. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how your document looks and prints. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.